Hello guys, this is Liz Mix Vlog. So for today's video guys is magluluto tayo ng bitter gourd recipe Taiwan style, okay? Hello guys, let's cook bitter gourd. This is white bitter gourd in Taiwan. Or this is what we call palaya. So, ayan, kalambutin muna natin guys. Kalambutin natin. Simple recipe from Taiwan. Okay? This is ang palaya guys. Bitter gourd. So guys, ayan, meron tayo naka-prepare na sauce. Ayan, what's in this bowl is soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and black bean. Okay? And I think a little of the spicy ingredients. So it's because our ampalaya is already soft right now. So let's put the sauce. So ang ginawa ko pala nito guys is ginisa ko muna siya para lumambot. Ginisa ko muna siya para lumambot, and then ngayon malambot na siya, it's already soft. I will mix the sauce. So later it's gonna be done guys. Simple recipe of bitter gourd. So ampalaya ko guys. Add my sugar. Yun palang sauce guys is may sugar siya. Kasi alam naman natin na ang ampalaya is bitter. Parang siya lang bitter. Joke. Parang yung ano mo, yung friend mo na bitter. Pero masustansya to guys. And I love ampalaya. Pero hindi ako bitter ha. Charot. So ayan. I-mix lang natin siya until na ma-absorb ng ampalaya yung sauce na ginawa natin. So, ayan guys. Napakasimpleng recipe ng ampalaya. So, as you can see guys, ito may black bean. Ito. Black bean yan. Ayan. So, yung sauce na ginawa is may black bean, sugar, soy sauce, sesame oil, at meron kaming spicy ingredients na nilagay ang amo ko. So, later guys, ang sarap nito guys. Yummy. Ganda na ampalaya dito, white. Diba? I-let mo lang natin ma-absorb lang ang palaya ng sauce konti. I-lesen natin yung sauce. Yung ma-absorb mo siya para mas yummy. Yum. Pag na-absorb na kasi ng sauce guys, yumminess na yun guys. Na-absorb ng sauce. Na-absorb ng ampalaya yung sauce. So it's gonna be yummier. Simpleng pagluto ng ampalaya. Kakaibang pagluto ng ampalaya here in Taiwan. Kasi sa atin sa Pinas, ano naman tayo? Gipisa with egg, tomato and egg. So dito lang din ako nagluto ng ganitong style sa Taiwan. So ayan guys, mamaya. Sarap din yun guys. So ganun lang guys, ang pagluto nito. Igigisa ko muna ng panguna ang ampalaya, and I prepare a sauce. At pag lumambot na yung ampalaya, saka ihalo ang sauce. So yumminess. Thank you everyone for supporting Liz Mix Vlog. And now this is already a monetized channel, and I'm so happy and blessed. It's all because of you guys, not me alone. It's all because of your help. Thank you so much. Shout out everyone who love and support Liz Mix Vlog, especially sa kay Sissy Vine, who pushes me to do this channel, to do this third channel of mine. And Mami Raja, Nalang Sparknet, Tita Marie, Sis Mayang, Sis Ella, yan yung mga taong palaging pumupunta sa live ko sa Tito Noy. Ayan, shout out guys. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Naging bahagi kayo ng success ni Liz for being a monetized channel. Thank you so much guys. Hindi naman siguro kayo bitter. Siguro ito yung mga tao na hindi bitter kasi sinuport nila ako. So thank you guys. Sino pa ba yung, sorry sa hindi ko mabanggit ha. Ayan. Sino pa ba yung pumupunta sa live ni Liz? Yung mga angels ko, my goodness, thank you so much angels. Yung mga angels ko na umabot ng 400 plus. Oh my God, I really don't expect that one. Shikel, ayan si Shikel, you're the next. Si Ate Doc pala. Si Ate Doc, next ka na Ate Doc. Okay, Ate Doc, huwag mawala na pag-asa Ate Doc. Ikaw na yung susunod. Kaya nga hindi pa monetize yan. Saka yung si Bibi Raja, ayan ni Mami, ayan. Kasama nyo kami sa inyong journey hanggang maabot ang goal dito sa YT. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang. So, huwag maging bitter guys ha. Dapat ang palaya lang yung bitter, hindi tayo. Okay, so thank you guys. Ayan, okay na guys. Okay na to na. Natuyo na siya. Mas maganda yung medyo juicy. Thank you so much guys. Thank you for watching. This is Miami recipe of bittergourd, Taiwan. Thank you.